In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to click on Connected Devices, choose Connection Preferences, and select Printing. Now you can click on Default Print Service right away and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service though, you need to disable this one. Tap on the back button and choose Add Service. Then download the best one for you and go back twice. Then go into the same settings, choose Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, Printing, and tap on your new print service. Then wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!